welcome to my channel. It's Queen Mimi TV. If you are new, make sure that you like and make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm waiting for you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Have you subscribed yet? Okay, make sure you subscribe. All right, so the video today, I kind of went back and forth if I wanted to do a video like this, but hey, I'm gonna go for it because I know, I enjoy watching these types of videos and it gives me on ideas. So as you can see by the title, I am doing a Shein haul. I'm only gonna keep it, I think, down to 10 outfit looks today, only because I don't want the video to be too long. And I have a lot of clothes that I've ordered from Shein before. So in this video, I'm going to try to include my most recent order. I just made a purchase not too long ago. Oh, I want to start by saying also, guys, happy holidays. I hope you guys got to be with your family, your friends, and most of all, I hope you guys will make sure you were being safe and protecting yourself, okay? So, yeah, the holidays were really nice. I got a chance to go back home to Texas, which was amazing. There's no place like home. I must say I am very happy to be back home in Florida because I guess I forgot how crazy the traffic is in Houston, H-Town. So yeah, I'm just happy to be back here and I am here with you guys today with another video. So I just want to do this haul, like I said, because I enjoy these videos on YouTube and I'm pretty sure you're watching this video because you probably enjoy hauls too as well, right? Especially when you're on Shein. I don't know if you guys ever been on Shein or even heard of Shein, but they have tons of items, right? They have accessories, they have swimsuits, they have winter collection, summer collection. They have a whole lot going on. So it is easy to get distracted, in which I get a little distracted, right? And that's why I avoid Walmart, right? Because, Walmart's got a lot going on, and I need to get in and get out and get groceries and go out. But no, Walmart has everything. So, yeah, I try to stay away from Walmart. But with that all said, I'm going to get right into the video. So if you guys have ordered from Shein before, you know that they ship your items in a package that looks like this. This is normally what the package looks like. And it has the barcode at the bottom. Okay, so it looks just like that. And this is what they put all of your clothes in, okay? So I'm gonna start off with one outfit for now. Again, I will be doing 10 outfits in this video just so that you guys can kind of, get some ideas. And I will also have everything linked below. If I have a picture of myself wearing that outfit, I will definitely make sure that I include it up there for you guys as well. And again, if you have not already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and welcome my new kings and my queens. And if you are a returning king and queen, thank you guys for believing in me. I have a goal that I'm trying to meet right now. Currently I have 32 subscribers. My goal is to get to 1,000. I'm really pushing myself. I know I need 969, I believe now. So if you guys can help out any ways, I would love to keep making content and video for you guys. I have been enjoying YouTube because I feel like every week I post a video, I learn something new and I enjoy learning and I love to learn new skills and technology. So yeah, I've been just really appreciating this. I really have, guys, but I am so excited for 2021, my new business adventure. I'm so excited. I will have a video coming out on that very soon. I'm actually going to bleach my own very teeth. So my new business is going to be mobile teeth whitening. My plans are to get in a salon, a suite or something, or maybe possibly in the mall, So those are some of my, some things that I'm kind of working on right now. I did have some other businesses. I was doing the Mask Up Queen, was consuming a lot of my time. So I'm done with the mask for now, or well, for good. I'm done with the mask. No more mask for me, and I'm on to my next adventure. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. I'm just like so happy. And again, I'm going to have a video of you guys bleaching my teeth. I've never professionally had my teeth bleached before. But okay, I'm getting off task. It's so easy to get off task. Let me stay right here, guys. I'm so sorry. and bring y'all back to the Shein haul, because that's why you're here, right? You're here for the Shein haul. You know, if you want to see me teeth whiten myself, you know, hey, you know, keep watching, you know, subscribe so you know when that video coming out and click that notification, right? Okay, let me go on because I'm going to go on all day. All right, so I'm going to start with my first outfit. The first outfit is actually a dress that I got from Shein. This dress was not from my last purchase. So as you can see, it's really cute, nice for the summers. It's like a tube top dress, really cute. It's got butterflies everywhere. Really like it. And I've worn this out before just to run like little small errands, but I've never like dressed it up before. So yeah, hopefully I will. So this is outfit number 1. I'm gonna go change it to something else, guys. So make sure that you keep watching. If you have not already, like, subscribe. Outfit number 2. Really love this. I actually just wore this. This was actually in my last purchase. I just wore this last Saturday for my friend's birthday. So happy birthday again to my friend. So I actually wore this, and I will have a video up above. I mean, not a video, I'm sorry guys. I will have a picture for you guys so that you guys can actually see me wearing this out. We went to a Brazilian steakhouse for her birthday. I must say that I really like this. It also has a split, which makes it very cute, flirty, nice at the same time. You can put tights under this, leggings, whatever you like. I like that it's off the shoulders. The material, guys, is really nice. You got some nice material and fabric going on. So I must say this is definitely a buy. Don't sleep on this dress. It's very pretty. I didn't want to be too overdressed, and I thought that this was just right. And it kind of got me in the holiday spirit since my friend has a December birthday, and I wanted to have some holiday cheer. And also, I did get some accessories from Shein. They are these earrings right here that I'm wearing. These are really pretty as well. And I'll have that linked below for you guys as well to check it. My granny just called me. I'm so back. Okay. So this is my next outfit. I actually wore this outfit actually today, and I will have that picture for you guys above. So I actually wore this outfit today. Very pretty. I love it. It fits me just right. I got a size medium. Yeah, I love it. The material is really nice, stretchy. I love it. It's not see-through or anything. I really love it. It's very comfortable. Now I am kind of short, you know, I'm only 5 feet. So, at the bottom, it is a little bit too long, but you know, I just kind of pull it up like that and then I'm okay. But it is a little bit long at the bottom, but if you're taller than me, you'll have no problem wearing this outfit. I love the color. It was giving me very fall vibes, so I had to get it. I'm going to say that this is a definite buy. I absolutely love it. So pretty. Do y'all see this? Look at this, y'all. This is giving me Kim Kardashian vibes. I don't know, or Kylie Jenner. I don't know, y'all. It's just, ooh, this is so cute. So I absolutely love this one. It is really tight, but I think that is what they're trying to portray with this outfit. Very beautiful. With this, I for sure went with a size medium. I love it. It's like so tight to the body. It's very beautiful. The color is just gave me fall vibes. Absolutely love it. I do think I would probably need to buy some better jeans to go with it. But definitely beautiful top. I would definitely buy this again. I don't know if I would go with a large though. I know it's supposed to be tight. It's not uncomfortable, but I don't really like my things extra tight. But this is definitely beautiful. I have not worn this outfit at all yet because I think I need some better jeans to go with it. Yeah, I don't think these jeans are doing what they should be doing. But I absolutely love this top. This is a beautiful top, guys. And I love it. So this outfit right here is just a simple dress, very stretchy material, very nice. Absolutely love this. I actually wore this outfit a couple of days ago. I do have a picture. I'll have that picture up below for you guys, but I absolutely love this, okay? I had bought some brown boots and I had needed something to match it, and then this was just perfect. I felt it at like the perfect time. It's beautiful. I love it, very stretchy. This is definitely a buy. You definitely want to get this, and it's not see-through at all, so you don't have to worry about you know, maybe your body being exposed or anything. It's very covered up. It's very stretchy material. I really like this a whole lot.